Hot girl, hot girl, hot girl. If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a minute since I sat in front of the camera and did my little intro. But if you're new here, my name is Keandra. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. But in today's video, I'm just going to be doing, I think this is a 2-month update, which is crazy because it feels like a little bit longer to me. Maybe because I really haven't worn the hair for 2 months straight. Want to make sure I say that. This is my like 3rd time installing this wig. So I've had quite a bit of time with the hair to kind of give y'all an update. I thought why not, because I put it on. So yes, this is Megalook hair, y'all. I got this wig 2 months back. I purchased this wig with my own coins and I purchased it on Amazon, and it is a 4x4, which it actually looks longer. I mean, the parting space is actually longer to me than just a 4x4. It's more like a 4x6 almost, but this wig is 22 inches. This is about where it stops on me. I'm 5'7", and yeah, she's 22 inches. So far, what I can say about the hair, y'all, is that it holds a curl, but not for long. And I don't really like that. Like, I'm sure in the next hour, maybe 2, these curls they're gonna start falling. It doesn't really like hold a curl like I would want to. And for it to be body wave hair, that's kind of weird to me too. But I will say it's super duper affordable. So I guess you get what you pay for a little bit in that aspect. The hair is super soft still. I've been putting a lot of heat on it because, like I said, it doesn't really hold a curl for long at least. But I did some cute little flat iron curls. I'll insert a clip of that in this video so y'all can just see kind of like me curling the hair, just so the video won't be too short. But other than that, y'all, I really love this hair. I really love this hair. Go check out the original video of me installing this wig and you can kind of see my initial thoughts of the hair. But so far it's been holding up the same, and I really don't have any other complaints. I really like it. I've just been wearing it in the middle part. Today and yesterday I've been wearing it. Not that long, but yeah, I haven't worn the hair like a lot. Oh, and as far as shedding, y'all, the shedding is minimum. So it does shed a little bit, but it ain't nothing too crazy to the point where it's like, whoa. Like, shedding is very minimum. So yeah, y'all, I don't really know what else to say about the hair. Like, that's really it, in all honesty. Like I said, I haven't wore it for 2 months straight or anything like that, but since I reinstalled it, I thought, why not just give y'all an update on how it's been holding up, in case you want to purchase the hair like I did. But yeah, I really love the flat iron curls. I'm gonna just turn around so y'all can kind of see. She's really cute. She's still holding up. I did install the hair with Got To Be Glue Freeze Blast Spray, and that's it. And yeah, y'all, that's really it. That's really it to this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was super quick and super short. I hope it wasn't like too short. Like I said, I will be inserting the clips of me putting the flat iron curls in the hair. Yeah, other than that, that's gonna be my 2-month update. Like I said, I know I didn't wear it 2 months straight, but I installed it 3 times within 2 months. And yeah, this was my 2-month update, y'all. I will have the link in the description box, as well as my initial review in the description box and in the iCards up above. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.
Ever ask what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love, kiss me some hug. No, I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.